Hello friends, welcome to MR Learning Platform. Today we are going to discuss about the first question of exercise 7.1 in coordinate geometry. First question. What is the first question? Find the distance between the following pair of points. So let us take the first question. 2, comma 3, 4, comma 1. Okay. So we need to consider this point as x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and y2. Already I have mentioned in order to refer a point we need two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So two points are there. First one we need to mention it as x1, y1. Then second point x2, y2. Okay. And we all know what is the distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, just we need to substitute the values. What are all the values? X2 is 4 minus x1 is 2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus in formula, then y1 is what? 3 whole square. Next, square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. Okay, then what is the value? 2 square is 4 minus 2 square. So we should reject or remove the minus. We should not worry about the minus because the power is even power. So when we take even power of any negative value, the negative will gone. Okay, the negative will be removed. Okay, so it's just like 2 square. So 2 square is again 4. Or else you can think about like this, minus 2 whole square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so what is the value? 4 plus 4 is 8. So root 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, or else go by prime factorization. 8 2 times 4, again 2 times 2. Okay, so it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so if you take square root for one pair, 1 2 will come out. Okay, so for a pair one value will come out. That is a general thing for square root. So 1 2 will come out. Inside the square root there is one more 2 is left. So the answer is 2 root 2 units. Moving to next question. Second question. Second is what? Minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Okay, the same way two points are there. Let us consider the first value is x1, second value is y1. This is x2, y2. Don't forget anything because for a point there are two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. Don't get confused. Don't put x1, x2, y1, y2 like that. Don't put. For every point there should be x and y. Okay, and using the formula, what is the formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just apply the values. What are all the values? X2 is what? Minus 1 minus in formula x1 is again minus 1 is there, minus of minus. So first question you just substitute it, then if we move on to next question directly we can put a plus. Okay, x2 minus 1 minus x1 is again minus 1. Okay, whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? 3 minus y1 is what? 7 whole square. What is the value? Minus 1 minus of minus plus, it becomes plus. You can directly change the value here itself. So see, minus 1 x2 minus of minus plus, you can put like that in the next question onwards. Okay, whole square plus 3 minus 7. 3 is positive value, minus 7 is negative value, so we need to subtract the values and we need to put the sign of the biggest number. 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. Okay, fine. Next, minus 1 plus 5, different sign. We need to subtract 1 and 5 value and put the sign of the biggest number. So the value is 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. So 4 square is 16. Minus 4 square is also 16. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16 plus 16 only. Okay, we can remove the negative value because we are having even power. Okay, so what is the value? Root 32. Root 32, how can we write it? Root 32? 32 can be split as 2 power 5. How it will come? Take prime factorization. Okay, 2, 16, again 2, 8, again 2, 4, again 2, again 2. So how many 2's? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 2's. So 32 can be written as root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 5 2. I have already mentioned for one pair 1 2 will come outside. There are two pairs, so this is nothing but 2 into 2. Two 2's come outside, and there will be 1 2 left inside the square root. So what is the value? 4 root 2 units. So this is your answer. Moving to third question. Third question. What is the third question? A comma b and minus a comma minus b. The same way, assume this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Again, what is your formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so just substitute the values. X2 is what? Minus a, minus x1 is what? A. Minus a whole square plus y2 is what? Minus b, minus in formula y1 is what? B whole square. Okay, so see, minus a same sign, we need to add it. A plus a is 2a. Put the sign of any of the numbers, any of the values. You should not worry about here these sums are in numbers and these sums are in variables. You should not worry. You can directly substitute in the formula and you need to simplify it. That's it. Okay, minus a is minus 2a whole square. Minus b is minus 2b whole square. Okay, so we should not worry about the negative values. Minus 2a whole square is, we need to square 2 and also a. That is nothing but a whole square. The square is meant both for 2 and also for a. That means a 2 square is 4, a square is, sorry, a whole square is a square, plus similarly 2 square is 4, b square is b square. Okay, so can we further simplify? Yes, we can simplify. 4 is common in both the terms. So we can take 4 as common. A square plus b square. And this is nothing but we can take individual square root for 4 and also for this whole term. So root 4, root of a square plus b square. So we all know root 4 is plus or minus 2 square root of a square plus b square. We can reject the negative value because distance is always positive. So we can take root of 2 root of a square plus b square. See, negative distance will not be negative, so we can reject the negative value. We can take only the positive 2 value. So plus 2 of root a square plus b square units. That's the answer. Thank you. Let's see the next question in the next class.